It's about time. I must warn you, you must be pure of heart to ride this cloud. Yep, otherwise it won't let you on it. It's picky that way.
Wow!